Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite. It looks fantastic. You do have your chrome accenting on your grille right up front there with the Dodge logo. You do have your halogen quad headlights right there, and they are very bright as well. And coming around the side here we do have our Michelin brand tires with 17-inch rims. They look great, and there's still lots of tread left on those tires as well. And now we do have our heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back here, we do have our Dodge badging as well as the Grand Caravan. Now, as long as it's unlocked, we can just open this up. Lots of room back here, very spacious. It looks great. You do have some storage in here, and they are stow and go seats as well. So all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So this one is number 1, pull that, pull number 2 here, 3 right here, and 4 right here, and they fold right down into the seat there, and you got lots of room. You can put whatever you might want back here, and it just gives you tons more options. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a bit of chrome accenting on the handle and kind of a swirly accenting here. The handle here, and some leather to put your arm on, very comfortable. Some storage in here and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well, looks great. Very soft seats, very squishy and nice. Now you do also have the controls over your lights here, so you're off your daytime running lights and your low beams all there. As well as right here we do have the in-cabin light control. And up here we also have the control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, only 13,000, not very many at all. Now we can change that around a bit from that to our trip A and B. We also have our distance till empty, our kilometers, our liters per 100 kilometers, the temperature outside, and back there. Now that is controlled from right here with your horn in the middle and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel, we do have volume up and down buttons. And then in the center, you do have your radio. So you have your seat options up here, AM and FM, your disc, your aux cord, and your forward and rewind. You also have your eject and your time over there with your CD player in the center. Volume up and down, press power on and off. Then you also have right here, we have our presets, our set, then we have our browser there and our aux cord plug-in. Down in the climate control here, we do have where it's going to blow out of, a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. The power there, as well as the circulation. The defrosts over here, your econ mode, your hazard lights, and your traction control. Bit of storage here. You have some cup holders right there. And then down here, we do have a bit more storage. And then over here, we do have a top layer glove box and a locking bottom layer right there. Looks great. Your owner's manual is in there as well. And then up top here we do also have our sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back now. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. The seats are the same material as the front. They feel fantastic. You can seat 7 people all together, so you do have some room back here with 3 seats. You have some cup holders. There's also some storage just underneath the floors here, right there like that. Looks great. You got lots of room under there. Looks fantastic. You can also fold the seat forward if you do pull this like this, and then fold that just down like that. Then you got even more room if you need to put something in there. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.